Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today I'm going to show you an unusual jam recipe with pineapple. It's very tasty and you can use this jam to prepare pineapple yogurt, tea and can apply on bread too. First take fresh and ripened pineapple, peel the skin, remove the eyes of the pineapple and cut it into small thin pieces. If pineapple is green and not ripened, jam will be little sour and you will not have pineapple flavor. So always choose ripened pineapple for this recipe. After cutting the pineapple into small pieces, measure and take 250 grams of pineapple pieces. To this add 150 grams of sugar. Now mix and rest it for 30 minutes. It helps to melt the sugar and decreases the cooking time. After 30 minutes, drop the mixture into thick bottom bowl and start to cook on a medium flame till the syrup thickens. Jam will get ready after 10 to 15 minutes of cooking. Look, after 15 minutes my jam is ready. If syrup becomes too thick, jam will get crystallized when you store it. If you store the hot jam in sterilized bottle, it will stay fresh up to 1 year in room temperature. If you want to use it daily, refrigerate it after cools down.